You want to call it Violet?
Yeah.
Sure.
Wait a minute. Can you make the happy face legs God's way?
You want me to make legs for it?
Yeah.
What kind of legs does Violet have?
Little.
Little legs? Should I give it some hair? What kind of hair should I give it? How old are you?
2.
Is your birthday coming up?
Yes.
How old are you going to be?
When the Maple comes up.
Are you excited? Where did...
Your party, you'll be what kind of art you want to be for your birthday.
What am I going to be for my birthday?
Yeah.
Old.
Art?
Mhm.
Oh, that's a funny name. Yeah. Your happy face looks kind of crazy.
It does look kind of crazy, you're right.
He has his party bag.
Yeah.
Is it Violet?
It looks like Violet. Don't hit Bob. Watch out, Bob. You're gonna get hit by the bike. Bob, you have to look both ways before you cross the street. Liza, tell Bob to look both ways before he crosses the street.
I'm going this way. Wait, happy face I can see it that way.
Watch out, Bob. Uh-oh. Good job going around Mr. Bob.